Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
To fix an iPhone that won't send or receive messages, first ensure that your device has a strong network connection. Then, restart your iPhone and double-check that iMessage and SMS settings are correctly configured in your device's settings. If issues persist, try resetting network settings via Settings, General, Reset Network Settings. This action will clear your current cellular and Wi-Fi settings, potentially solving the problem. Contacting your carrier for assistance can also help, especially if the issue is network-related.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.